Hello, my lovely viewers. I hope you are all doing great, and me too. Once again, welcome back to my kitchen cooking story. So, let's make a yummy stuffed paratha. As we all love paratha in different ways. It can be a aloo paratha, gobi paratha, chicken paratha, or our lovely paneer paratha. But today's recipe is truly dedicated to the naughty kids out there who doesn't like homemade food, only junk food. So before I move on, let me show you the ingredients. And the ingredients are carom seed, chaat masala, cumin powder, sugar, salt, coriander leaf chopped, red chili flakes. With that, onion chopped, turmeric powder, sesame seed, all purpose refined flour, boiled potato, and our paneer. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take 1 cup of refined flour. Into it add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of carom seed. Then add just water according to the need of the dough and then knead for a smooth dough. This filling paratha can be made for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can also change the filling of your choice. You can also add lot of veggies as our kid doesn't like to eat lot of veggies nowadays. So if you stuff inside this paratha and make it little different, and I'm sure the kids will love to eat without showing any tantrum with vegetables. Now once your dough is done perfectly, take 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Again do for 1 to 2 minutes. Then cover and give a resting time for 10 minutes before rolling it down. When you are making this type of paratha, and especially for kids, always try to use a good quality of paneer as it always plays an important role in everything from texture, taste to how it tastes after cooling down. I love to make this paratha with homemade paneer, or you could use Amul paneer. Now give a resting time of 10-15 minutes. On the other side, let us make the masala for this paratha. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of refined oil and then add 1 medium sized onion chopped. And once it turns light golden, then we will add all the other ingredients. Next, add 1 medium sized boiled potato, smash with your hand. Now add 100 grams of fresh paneer. You need to smash this paneer too, and in case if you are a masher, you can also use that. After that, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of sugar, and salt as per your taste. And at last add 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, though this is optional. If you don't want, you can ignore it. Also, you can use green chili too. Now mix everything well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until this consistency reach. Then switch off the flame and keep on the other side so that it cools down, and you can use this masala to roll down your spin wheel paratha. At last, everything is ready. Let us take our dough and make 4 equal balls. Knead it to make it smooth. Make equal size and then take one at a time. Spread the dough into a medium circle and keep the stuffing inside the way I am showing you over here. But before you make it flatten, sprinkle some flour so that it becomes smooth and easy for you to roll it down. After that, flatten this bread like this. Then slowly add the filling around 1 to 2 tablespoons. But remember to not to overfill, or else you will not able to roll it down properly. Once you done with the filling, then roll the paratha the way I am showing you over here. And next you need to cut it in an equal portion. After adding the filling, just press a little with your hand, then roll the paratha. And once you are done, then with the help of a knife, cut it into equal portion. After that, take one at a time and press it like this way, and then slowly roll it down. But before rolling it, again sprinkle some refined flour. It will be like a spin wheel. No need to roll it very hard. Just with your light hand, press a little and then it's done. Now place the roll spring wheel paratha onto the heated tawa slowly. After arranging all the spin wheel paneer paratha on the tawa, then from top sprinkle some sesame seed, and even you can also sprinkle coriander leaf chopped and chili flakes. Then cook the side for a minute or two and then flip over. Now apply oil around 1/4 teaspoon on the half cooked side and then flip again. After that, apply oil on the other side as well. Press with the spatula and cook the paratha until both sides have golden brown spot on them. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes to cook evenly from all the sides, and press gently to ensure even cooking while it's getting cooked. And at last, when our spin wheel paneer paratha is ready, remove it from the hot tawa and serve immediately with tomato ketchup, pickle, or yogurt of your choice. And I'm sure that your kids will love these cute little parathas. And I'm sure you will sit back and wonder how quickly the spin wheel paneer paratha disappearing from in front of you. And if you think today's recipe is really worth it, especially for your kids, then don't forget to mention in my comment section below how it turns out. And those who are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so when I upload my next video, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy!